India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi has warned COVID-19 cases will rise again if people don't observe social distancing. He's pointed out cases of mass overcrowding at tourist spots now that many restrictions have been lifted. Even as daily cases are falling, a surge in India's northeastern region is concerning. Neha Punya with more.
ये निरंतर प्रोत्साहित करते रहना होगा.
At a time when large parts of the country are reporting a sharp dip in cases, India's northeastern region has been an outlier. The end of the second wave has lasted longer than expected, and some regions are already reporting a spike in cases once again. As per government data, at least 64% of all the districts that have a high positivity rate are from the country's 8 northeastern states. On Tuesday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's interaction was with the chief ministers of these regions. He's advised them to enforce stricter rules at a micro level. His government has from the very onset repeatedly ruled out the imposition of a nationwide lockdown and has instead advocated stricter localized curbs. Prime Minister Modi also advised states to conduct genome sequencing aggressively to keep an eye on variants that are emerging and to ramp up vaccination numbers as well. The Delta variant, which resulted in higher hospitalizations during the deadly second wave, has already mutated to become the Delta Plus variant, but it's unclear how much more infectious this particular mutation is. India's slow pace of vaccinations is also giving the virus more than enough room to mutate. While Prime Minister Modi has asked regional governments to ramp up vaccinations, supply remains an issue. On Tuesday, several vaccination centres here in Delhi shut down when supplies ran out. Maharashtra has similarly been reporting shortages as well. India's daily vaccination rate has also slowed down to an average of 3.4 million shots a day. The country should ideally be administering over 8 million jabs a day if it is to meet its target of inoculating all Indian adults by the end of this year. But even as officials struggle to ramp up vaccinations, another pressing problem has emerged. As cases have dipped, restrictions have been lifted in large parts of the country, and many tourist destinations in northern and eastern India are now reporting overcrowding. They're seeing large crowds with rarely anyone wearing face masks and next to no social distancing. Now, Prime Minister Modi has expressed alarm at this situation, asking citizens to be more responsible in order to help ward off an imminent third wave.
कि कोरोना की वजह से टूरिज्म, व्यापार, कारोबार ये बहुत प्रभावित हुआ है, लेकिन आज मैं बहुत जोर देकर कहूंगा कि हिल स्टेशन में, मार्केट्स में बिना मास्क पहने, बिना प्रोटोकॉल का अमल किए बिना भारी भीड़ का उमड़ना मैं समझता हूं एक चिंता का विषय है, ठीक नहीं है.
Earlier this week, the Indian Medical Association also issued a warning saying holidays can wait. Doctors who struggle to provide medical care to citizens during the deadly second wave when hospital beds and medical oxygen were in critically short supply are saying that such mass gatherings have the potential to become super spreaders, and they're accusing the government and citizens of becoming complacent once again. Neha Punya, CNA, New Delhi.